Hey, what's going on? In this quick video I'm going to show you a review about this scooter. You can see this electric scooter right now, 900 plus sold, 9 reviews, 4.6 rating, and right now you will see it's really looking beautiful. They share every single features in their photos, but as you know, real customer will always open your eye. And if you want, you can check out right now. You will get $50 off discount clicking my video description link, which will help you to save money. Now if you check out this electric scooter, 350W 36V 10.4 ah scooter electric, and if you check out the reviews, 9 reviews available, 4.6 rating. You can see this person's give 5-star rating, buy it in August, and you can see share a video testimonials using the scooter. Like this way, another person's buy it, another person said thank you, and share a beautiful photo of the scooter. Like this way, if you check out the page 2, you will see amazing scooter, very happy. So most of the people are giving good reviews using it and feeling happy. If you want, you can also check out the details. Right now you will get this scooter $50 off discount. Check out my video description link, check out the details, features. They share the photos, they share everything so that you can use it for a long time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Always learn from the real customer opinion, because real customer is always show you the truth. And they also add a video. You can check out the video. Let me show you. Here you can see they share the video that will help you to check out this product more easily so that you can use it with confidence. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button. See you again in another new video.